Today we're diving into the DIRECTV Gemini, a new streaming device that promises to be a game changer for your viewing experience. But does it really deliver on that promise? Let's take a closer look at what it has to offer. The DIRECTV Gemini is designed to be an all-in-one streaming device that combines live TV and streaming services into one platform. It aims to cater to a wide audience, from casual viewers to hardcore binge watchers. What's intriguing is its integration with both DirecTV's satellite service and popular streaming apps, allowing users to switch between live channels and on-demand content effortlessly. The setup process seems straightforward, which is a plus for those who may not be tech-savvy. The interface is visually appealing, featuring a clean layout that makes navigation easy. However, some users might find it slightly overwhelming with the number of options available. One thing that stands out is the voice control feature, which lets you search for content using voice commands. That said, there isn't much information on its responsiveness or accuracy, which leaves some questions about its practicality in everyday use. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the Gemini's ability to combine live TV with streaming options is a significant advantage for users who want everything in one place. The interface is user-friendly, and the voice control feature could be a game changer for many. However, it's not without its downsides. There are concerns about potential hidden fees, especially for those who are not already DirecTV customers. Also, the lack of detailed user reviews raises some red flags about its reliability and long-term performance. Additionally, some users might find the device not suitable if they primarily rely on streaming platforms without needing live TV. In conclusion, the DIRECTV Gemini is worth considering if you're looking for a versatile streaming device that integrates live TV and streaming services. However, if you're not a DirecTV subscriber or primarily use streaming, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it feels like a solid choice, but proceed with a bit of caution regarding additional costs.